Right now we're gonna do our next video in the It's Not Gourmet Bro series. So come right back because we're about to get crazy with our slow cooker spaghetti squash bolognese. Woo! Keep it paleo. We're gonna start off with our spaghetti squash. I got 2 of them. These ones we steamed so that they're soft. You see this? Nice and soft. You can roast them whole, you can cut them in half and roast them, however you wanna do it. We just need 2 cooked spaghetti squash. And right now I'm just gonna show you how I scrape these out. I'll use a fork, start from the center, and kind of pull this out so that we get those spaghetti kind of threads or fibers. If we just scoop it out with the spoon, it'll come in a big clump and it doesn't really look like spaghetti at all. So use a fork, guys. All right, there we go, guys. Boom, you can see a big heap of spaghetti squash. Beautiful. And next up let's work 1 large onion. From there, I'm gonna cut this in half like this. And then just like something like that. Then I got about 4 cups of mushrooms. Right here, we're gonna slice those. Woo, those onions are powerful. All right, next up, we're gonna assemble this baby into the slow cooker. We're gonna start with our spaghetti squash. About 1/3 of the total squash is gonna go in the bottom of the slow cooker. And then 1/3, I'll break my sausage into thirds. And over here, I've got turkey, same thing, into thirds. Italian sausage, about 1/3 of our onions over that, 1/3 of our mushrooms, and then some salt, a little pepper, 2 cups of tomato puree, and then some Italian seasoning, about 1/3 of our Italian seasoning. There we go, and then we'll just repeat the process. All right, guys, here we are. We're just finishing up, and as you can see, this baby's pretty full. Not to worry, it's gonna cook down, but just as a precaution, always put your crock pot on a sheet pan when it cooks. All right, that way if anything does overflow, you're covered. All right, it's Italian seasoning on the top, and then at the top, very top, a little squirt of olive oil. Lid on. Boom, just like that. 12 hours on high, and we'll check back in. Okay, guys, here we are. Take a look at that. Now this doesn't plate up super pretty, but we're gonna do our best to plate one like we're gonna eat it right now, and then I'll show you how we'll portion out the rest of them. Okay guys, if you're gonna eat this right now, I'd serve it like this. If you're stocking your Paleo bank account, portion it out about like this. All right, get out there, give this one a try. It's super simple. And remember, it's not gourmet, it just tastes that way.